Good morning, dear friend. Today we'll be talking about something different. In a sense, the whole word is talking about sanitizing you before entering into office or before entering into your home. Why? As a doctor, I can tell you, when we go home, coming from outside, our clothes are infected by dust, by bacteria, by virus, by many things. But when we go home, though we go home inside and take all these bacteria along with us, for our senior elderly person sitting at home and for kids, which is dangerous. But if you can clean yourself, now you can see all the channels are showing different type of tunnel, sanitizing tunnel. They are very costly affair. Everybody cannot afford. Those tunnels are costly affair, and for office it's okay, but for family at home, what do? Do one thing which I have designed. This I'm showing you, see, it's my old cooler which I have designed in such a way that flow of air going out of the cooler along with particles of sanitized water, which is sanitizing your whole body. You can see that. You take a turn, sanitize your body, whole clothes, then go in. And this you can make at home also. The idea behind the whole thing is that the things are available at home, and for your family, for your home, you can make yourself and use it. Not only now, let it be a permanent system in your house, because now it is proved this, yes, when you come home, you contain a lot of bacteria and virus in your clothes, which you take home inside. So why not let us make it a habit, a permanent structure on the gate of your home. Anybody who is entering should go through that place, get yourself sanitized, and then go home. Maybe you will reduce the cost of treatment of your family by sanitizing you, because you are going home from outside. So dear friend, idea is to give you a very compatible, very cheap and easily available things at home. You can make it. Thank you.